everybody, welcome back. Defending America by Compass Games, designed by Gregory M. Smith. We are on our part 4 of our Edward Simone replay. We are now flying a Boeing XF-8B-1 with the big boys unlocked. We're going to use them. So we are on mission number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought I had that down somewhere. 7 missions. No, don't. Of course not. We're going to be flying our next again. We're going to roll for it's June of 47. So we're going to roll here. Get close to the end of that one. 61 Michigan Chemical Company in late St. Louis, Michigan. 6. The Germans are going to take off on their raid. We're going to stay put. They're going to move into zone 2. We're going to stay put. They're going to move into zone 3. We're going to take off. To zone 5. Use up a endurance. They're going to move to zone 4. We're going to join them in zone 4. We're going to attempt to intercept. 10. No contact. Alright, so they're going to move to zone 5. We're going to follow suit. We roll again for contact. We get an 8. No contact, but this time we're in zone 5, so that 364 is going to kick into play. Going to attack the MA-364. Bring the ME-364 down, put us at long range. At long range, with our limited ammo, I think I'm not going to bother trying to fire. I'll let him fire at us. That's going to be Bomber's defensive fire. They have 7. He rolls a 5. 3 hits, but we have our wingman with them, so that's 0 there, or -1. 2. And then our speed differential, we have a 24, he's an 18. That's going to be, so he's going to get 1 hit on us. It's going to be 24. It's going to be oxygen. I think oxygen means we need to go back to aircraft that loses oxygen must break off if possible after current pass and land immediately. So this is our only pass, which leads me to our next strategy. Decrease the range. We're going to go ahead and at this point fire an extended burst. Use up 2 of our ammunition. And roll on the extended burst chart. 7. Get +2 hits. Oh, not decrease, Greg, increase. And we will go ahead and roll for our damage to bombers. We are on the 18 chart right here. Get a 6, 5, so that's going to be 7 hits. Got to remember to roll 2 without moving that down. First hit, 4. Get a random wing, odds evens. Evens it is. Oh, come on, Greg. All right, second hit. That'll leave us with 5 now. 8. Engine on the port side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be the center engine. Next hit. 4. Gonna be another random wing, odds, evens. Next hit, 2. Gonna be an airframe. Oh, come on, Greg. I am messing up. Decrease. Next hit, 3. Gonna be an airframe and a gunner hit. Next hit, gonna be another airframe hit. And the final hit, gonna be another airframe hit. And he gets the fire back at us at a -1. That doesn't take effect yet. A 3, it's gonna be a 2, so he's gonna get another hit on us. It's gonna be 33. Airframe. We got 4 of them, so that doesn't hurt us too badly. And we will move into close range. We will use our reflexes this time. Because I have anticipation that we will knock him out. We're going to use up 1 ammo. And we're going to fire. 18 shard again. We get a 3. Bam. 3 hits. First hit. Is going to be airframe hit and gunner hit, and that's all we need. All we need. He is down. Might as well roll for the last 2 hits just to be sure. But 4 is going to be a random wing. Odds, evens. Odds it is. And the last hit would be a 5 controls. Doesn't matter. We took him out with the airframe. We are going to get an ME-364. ME-364. Didn't do my paperwork here. That's yet another K. And then we're going to have to peel off. Clean all that up. We knocked him out the sky. We're going to peel off. Go back to our ship. Roll for the weather. 9. That does not look very good. The weather for 9 is bad. Gonna add 2. We roll, oh shit, 12. -1 plus 1 is still 12. (13-14) rough landing. Pilot receives a light wound, and that's poor because we don't get to get a Purple Heart or anything for that. So we get another light wound on landing, which means that we're going to miss the next mission with wounds. Let's see where we're at with our medals and stuff. Got to make sure I keep up on that. I don't think we have, no. We have Bronze Star, Navy Commendation. Bronze Star, we actually got 2 bronze and 2 silvers, and a Navy Cross. So that's all we got, and the Ace, of course. All right, so that's going to be the first mission. Second mission's going to be wounds. It's only a 9-minute video. Brain's not really with it, but we'll go ahead and get through one more mission here and clean up our plane too. We had 2 damage, which damaged, that's easy to repair, so we can just go ahead and clean up our guy. Again, we're going to go out with the heavies. Pre-combat. Still in June of 47. We're going to roll a 46 Quartermaster Depot in Philadelphia, my birthplace. We are flying. Oh, come on. I'm having trouble today. We are still flying the XFB-1. They're going to take off. We're going to let them get into zone 2, then we're going to take off. Use up one of our endurance. They're going to move to zone 3. We're going to move to zone 4. I didn't need to do that. It was just wasted endurance. They're going to move to zone 4. We're going to stay there with them and try to intercept them. 10. No contact, so we're going to end up going to zone 5 anyway. Try to intercept them in zone 5. Let's get off another endurance. Interception is 6. No contact, but because we're in zone 5, we get the 277. So we're going to get our plane. We're going to attack 277. Get the bomber up. Go down to 277. Long range. And this time I'm going to go ahead and fire at long range. Just in case. I believe that. If I can get him out in 2 passes, medium and short range, then I can go ahead and go in for another pass on him. So I only took the extended burst because we knew we had to leave with the oxygen hit. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to let him fire at us, but we're not going to return fire. And he's fire 7. It's a 3. That's going to be again 2 hits, but because of the speed differential and the range, that'll be nothing. We do have our wingman with them as always. So we will move in, decrease the range a hair. We're going to fire only a regular fire, so we're going to decrease our ammo by 1. We're going to go ahead and fire 7 on the 18 is a GP hit. And we're always at the airframe unless I say otherwise. It's a control, an airframe, and a gunner, and then 2 hits on top of that. First hit's going to be a 5. Controls, so we almost got the controls out already. And the second hit, last hit's going to be an 8. Engine on the port side. It's going to be odds or evens. 2. Inboard. Not a bad shot. I did not use my reflexes, so that doesn't take effect yet, so it's just going to be a -1. That's a 3. That's going to be a 1 hit against us. 21. Landing gear. Oh, we love it when they get hit. They're kind of important. Knock them out, make them inoperable. We're going to go ahead and move into close range. We now get a +1 hit. Go ahead and leave that where it is. +1 hit. Yeah, we're going to use our reflexes on this one. And we're going to fire on the 18 column and get a 7 again, which is going to be a GP plus the 1. That's actually going to be 3 hits. Oh, come on, Greg. Increase, increase, increase. And GP is controls, so he's down. We don't even need to roll anymore. Airframe and another. We don't even need to roll them other 3 hits. He's down, so we get a HE-277 kill. And we still have 2 ammo left, so we will come back around for another pass. See if we can take out 2 of them in this mission. All right, so go ahead and clear him out. Move him back up there. Put us at long range again. And attack again. All right. And again, at long range, I don't think I'm going to do anything. Let them attack us. -2. That's a 2. That's not going to hurt us. So we're going to move into medium range. I don't have the skill to use anymore. We're going to just fire regular. On the 18 chart, we roll an 8, which is GP +1. So that's going to give us 3 random hits, a gunner hit, control, and an airframe. All right, first random hit. Get a 3. That's going to be an airframe and a gunner hit. Neither one of these is going to count this time against them. Airframe. All right, next hit. 5 is controls. Good, we got good chance at, good Lord, Greg. Good chance of taking him out too. All right, and then the final hit. 9. Engine on the starboard side, odds, evens. Evens it is, that's the outboard. And he's going to return fire. These do not take effect yet because it's simultaneous. He's going to get a -1 only for the speed. One, that's a miss. We're going to move into close range, fire our last ammunition off. And this is again not going to be simultaneous. It's going to be simultaneous. So he will return fire, and anything we get besides these 2 will not take effect yet. We're rolling on the 18. We got a 10. GP +2, so he's down. We don't even need to worry about rolling all those other ones. But we will, no, don't worry. He's down. We know he's down. He'll return fire. It will be a -2 for the last ones. +1, -1, so it's going to be a -2 total. Oops, and he gets a 5, which is a 1 hit on us again. That's a 63. 63 is an ejection seat, which is not really going to matter in the grand scope of things. Put that inoperable. Already took those 2 hits. And we are out of ammo, but we took yet another 277 out. That gives us a total of 8 kills. And now we can go ahead and try and land. Rolled out weather. 9 again, bad weather again. Not good because we got landing gear issues. And we can get rid of this for the time being. Landing. Oh, good. We landed nice and easy, despite the weather and damage this time, because we had landing gear damage and everything else. So that's good to go. We can clean this up. We landed. We can get our plane out here. Clean him up. Gets rid of the 2 damage. 2 damage is easy to repair by next mission. And we are good to go. July of 47 will be next. I'm going to go ahead and pause this out because my mind is just not there today. And we will see you next time. Thanks for joining me.